Hi, my name is Peter Liu. I'm a solution architect at Rescale. Today, I'd like to show you how to run Gurobi on the Rescale platform. So first of all, you go to Rescale platform. It's a SaaS platform. So just go to rescale.com and then log in with your Rescale account. Once you log in, you'll see a list of jobs under your account. Now, let's say you have a new Gurobi job you want to run. Simply click on the new job button, which will start the job submission process. So there's a couple key steps. First of all, you need to upload the input file for Gurobi. Then you select the software, and then you select the hardware you need to use. There's two ways of running Gurobi, and I'd like to show you both. So the first way is to running Gurobi directly without a Python interface. So in that case, all you need to do is to bring the Gurobi input file, and let me upload it, bring it from my cloud account. All right, here we go. And in this case, we have this input file .lp file that resides as the input for this job. If you have it on your computer, simply click upload from this computer to upload the file to this job. You can even view it and modify it directly. So right now you can see the content of this input file, and you can also even edit it directly on the platform if you want to make changes to this input file. The next step is to select the software tile. So in this case, let's search for Gurobi. All right. And then you see we already pre-populated a command to launch Gurobi. So all we need to do is to replace the placeholder, which is the input file, with the actual name of the input file. So the third step, you select the license option. So you can either use your existing license or have Rescale to host the license for you under the license option. And once you've done that step, the last step is to select the hardware. So now you see a wide list of hardware options you can use, anything from high clock speed CPUs, high memory, to InfiniBand connected software tiles or hardware options. For this quick demo, I'm going to just use Onyx as the hardware selections. All right. And that's really it. And the last step, you specify what time. This is the maximum amount of time you want to run Gurobi. And once everything is all set, you'll simply hit the submit button to launch the job. So once you click submit, then it goes into the submission process. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to launch the cluster, and then your Gurobi job will be running, and you can actually see interactively the results file as it's being generated. Now I'm going to show you the second way of running Gurobi. So some of you may want to drive Gurobi simulation through a Python script that you may wrote. So in that case, let me show you what to do. So you click a new job, and then instead of using just the Gurobi input file, you select both the Gurobi input file as well as your Python script that you can upload it from your computer as well. So let me bring it in here. All right, so in the Python script, you're actually referencing the command to launch Gurobi on your Python script. And then you go on to the next step. So now I need to actually add two software tiles. So the first one we're going to add is Gurobi, just like we had before. And the second one we're going to add is a Anaconda environment, which is a virtual Python environment. So with this all loaded, then there's a couple key steps here. So the first thing you need to do is to making sure Gurobi is installed in your virtual Python environment. And the command to do so is simply this. So conda install -c Gurobi. And then the second step is to actually call your Python script. So in that case, it'll be in my case, it will be gurobi.py. All right. And that's it. So what it will do is it will actually launch the conda environment, which has all the Python package preloaded. And then you'll launch the Gurobi software calling through your Python script. And the third step, just like we did before, you select what core type you want to use, and then simply click the launch button. All right, hopefully this shows you how you can set up Gurobi both running directly or running through your Python environment. Let us know if you have any questions.